What pappy? Y'all, you know.
Shout out to that boy Cyrus, he part, you know what I'm saying?
She like to say Perkins and Adderall. Go hype, but I stand tall. But I be too high to be mad at y'all. I'm straight out the mud with a hot Glock, and we don't want pull up and hop back. We spin the blow on the car side. Don't come to my side, you get crossed back. Try to game, why would you do that? Yeah, I get your crew wet. AR-15 with a cool key. I'm in it with a push key. Too many drugs on my black eye. Too many funds on the east side. My life a movie like Ray Charles. I was in Texas with chainsaw. Hold up, I'm straight out the mud. Whole lot of slug, whole lot of so you need to get up. To a hit the spot, high and under the road. Yeah, you heard what I said. Good brain, she giving me Glock Gen 5 with a sweet put play. Glock Gen 5 with a sweet get back. All of my youngins attack. I drop the bag, they collecting your hat. I'm really having these just rap. Say she kept. We should be f***ing, ain't doing no cuffing. Now we ain't doing no cuffing. Keep the out, we ain't doing no laughing. I keep the f***ing K like a wrist. I gotta draw a dick sign. I am in love with Blitz sign. Real ones I every first of the money. Know when I pull out the rest, she gon' Dick said she feelin' low the game, but I feelin' low my nine. I have a Glocks galore on me. Switch on every single fight. She like to say Perkins and Adderall. Go hype, but I stand tall. But I be too high to be mad at y'all. I'm straight out the mud with a hot Glock, and we don't want pull up and hop back. We spin the blow on the car side. Don't come to my side, you get crossed back. Try to game, why would you do that? Yeah, I get your crew wet. AR-15 with a cool key. I'm in it with a push key. Too many drugs on my black eye. Too many funds on the east side. My life a movie like Ray Charles. I was in Texas with chainsaw.
I was in Texas with chainsaw. Yeah, I was in Texas with chainsaw. Pop back, pop back, pop back, pop back. Yeah, pop back.
Shout out to that boy Cyrus, he part, you know what I'm saying?